Poland, Europe, December 30th, 2025. Heavy snowfall in Poland caused tailback stretching as far as 20 kilometers, 12.43 miles, on a motorway between the capital Warsaw and the Baltic port city of Gdansk during the night, police said on Wednesday. While the situation left hundreds of people trapped in their cars in freezing conditions, by the early hours of Wednesday morning traffic was moving again, according to police. The difficult situation began yesterday after 4 p.m., when the first trucks on the S7 route began having trouble approaching the slopes, said a spokesperson for police in the northern city of Olsztyn.
Jestem właśnie teraz na siódemce. Zobaczcie, co się dzieje. W centrum kryzysowym nie chcą nam pomóc.
No, ale zawierucha.
According to Polish media, traffic on the S7 expressway in Ostroda County, northern Poland, was paralyzed from Tuesday afternoon due to intense snowfall and strong winds. Hundreds of vehicles were stranded, with traffic jams stretching nearly 16 kilometers in the direction from Warsaw to Gdansk. The Ministry of Infrastructure said that authorities are doing everything possible to ensure the route is fully cleared by Wednesday. Air traffic has also been affected. Modlin Airport temporarily suspended flight operations late Tuesday into Wednesday. Departures from Warsaw's Chopin Airport faced delays as aircraft required de-icing before takeoff. State news agency PAP reported that there had also been some disruption to railways and airports, but that services were returning to normal.
Zimno. Jesteśmy jak na Antarktyce. Minus 0 stopni, słuchajcie, minus 0.
Wszystko stoi.
The state-run railway operator PKP Intercity reported that 16 of its trains were delayed by more than 60 minutes before noon on Wednesday. The carrier noted that railway traffic is now running without disruptions. The Institute of Meteorology and Water Management, IMGW, on Wednesday morning reported a snow depth of 57 centimeters in Mlawa, north-central Poland. The first gigantic traffic jam began to form in Wala, near Ostroda, near the Drika River, in a narrow moraine canyon. Trucks were unable to climb the hills, and some stalled across the road. Cars couldn't be reversed. The road was buried up to their axles. Plows and sand spreaders couldn't reach the site because they themselves became stuck in the snow. As it turned out, there were too few vehicles and personnel on the ground that day. Only after several hours were additional drivers brought in, and a true nighttime struggle to save the road began.
Samochody nam zasypuje, tak jak widać, więc może ktoś pomoże, wyślę to do centrum, może gdzieś na 112 ten filmik.
Dzieje, moi drodzy, zobaczcie. Ostroda w tym momencie w kulminacyjnej fazie efektu morza. Istna zawierucha.
One of the rescued was Mr. Walenty Helenka from Ukraine, who was traveling to Bielsko-Biala. He didn't make it. He spent the night at the office. By Wednesday afternoon, the situation began to improve. Although snow continued to fall, the wind had subsided, and roads were becoming more passable. However, authorities are urging people to limit travel if possible. Ostroda will long remember that night, when the city transformed into a safe haven amidst the snow chaos.